Hey Sun Devils, let's take 2 minutes to talk about something important. What to do if you ever face an active assailant situation. We know, it's not something anyone wants to think about, but just like fire drills or first aid, having a plan can save your life. If you ever hear or see something that sounds like gunfire or a violent threat, remember this simple phrase: run, hide, fight. First, run. If it's safe to do so, get away from the danger fast. Leave belongings behind and encourage others to come, but don't wait. Put distance between you and the threat, then call 911 as soon as you're safe. If you can't call, text 911 or use the LiveSafe app to report the threat. If you can't run, hide. Find a place out of view. Lock or barricade doors. Turn off the lights. Silence your phone and stay quiet. Don't open the door for anyone unless you're absolutely sure it's law enforcement. And when necessary, fight. If your life is in danger and there's no other option, commit to defending yourself. Use anything you can: backpacks, chairs, fire extinguishers. Work as a group if you can. Your goal is to stop the attacker until help arrives. Now take a deep breath. Remember, these events are rare, but being prepared gives you power. Stay alert, trust your instincts, and if you see something that doesn't feel right, say something. Contact ASU police or use the LiveSafe app to report it. Call when you can and text when you can't. You've got this. Stay smart, stay safe, and remember, run, hide, fight.